Hello everybody. We're gonna do a little cook with me tonight. Um, First off, we're gonna do some a little mixture of fries here. We got some potato wedge fries and some steak fries. The reason we're doing two different ones is because these ones don't have a whole lot in them. So I'm doing those in the air fryer. So all I'm gonna do here is put the remainder of these fries in. There you go, baby girl. And then I'll take some of these steak fries and I'll toss a handful of those in. And then we'll put these away. Hi everybody. There's the beautiful Tony. Slide that in the air fryer. Hit the go button, and that's about where I want it, right there. So it's already set for 15 minutes at 370. So I'm gonna let that go, and then here in a minute, I'm gonna show you guys, once that goes for a minute, I'm gonna wait for that for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own homemade French dip subs. Okay, so what you'll need for the French dip subs. You'll need a packet of au jus sauce, like this. That's just the Great Value brand au jus gravy mix. You'll need 3 cups of water for your au jus. That calls for 3 cups of water. You'll need a flat grill like this. Electric flat grill, that's what I'm using. I have a pan for my au jus that I'm gonna pour my water into, and my mixture. You'll need some roast beef, which is, again, this is the Great Value. And then the way Arby's does it is they put Swiss on it. We like that too, but Tony doesn't like the Swiss as much, so we do. Oh, they do provolone? I thought they did the Swiss on them.
No, provolone.
Oh, okay. Well, then I guess it's provolone. But anyway, the provolone cheese. And then one other thing I'm going to need is a lid to cover the meat and the cheese, because I melt them together. I'll show you that process, but I'll have my lid out before then. You'll also need a bag of sub buns. She used one of them for roast beef and like a sub sandwich a couple of days ago. So there's one missing, so you'll need a bag of the deli sub buns. So that's all you need for that. Okay, so what you'll need to do is you'll need to turn on your little electric grill thing. It's about 325. You don't want it too hot, because if you get it too hot, it tends to make everything stick and make it all nasty, and you don't want that. So we'll spray it down with some cooking spray a little bit. Mine heats up real fast, so then you start taking your roast beefs and you stack them kind of in a layer, but you want to make them about as long as your bun, which is about 4 or 5 pieces long. And then you layer it on top of each other 2 or 3 times. I'm going 2 times because I'm making 3 subs and I need enough meat to make 3 subs. And you want to kind of make it so you can make 3 subs. So I'm going to go ahead and layer these out. I'll show you here in a second. Or maybe I'll only making 2. Yep, there's not quite enough to make 3. So I'll only be making 2 subs. I'll just eat that last piece. Here's what the meat looks like on the flat grill. I'll just layer it like that. And then we'll cook that meat. You flip it a few times, and then I'll show you when I get ready to put the cheese on. Okay, so next step is we're gonna take our breads, and we're gonna put 2 of our breads right here on our grill. Get those toasty a little bit. Not too toasty, we just want a little bit toasty. Go ahead and turn on your, I'm turning on my back burner. And I'm going to pour this water into this pan. There's 3 cups of water into this pan here. I'm going to turn this down. Okay, get my au jus going. I forgot about that. Sorry, guys. I'll just dump that right in there like that. I forgot about my little au jus. Gotta get that going. So we just mix our au jus like this, get it going. Take the buns. I gotta get those off because they're gonna burn. So we mix in our au jus, and then we just kind of want this to get hot and start to bubble. You don't want it to get really freaking hot and burn. You just want it to be hot enough that it's hot enough to dip your sandwiches in. Okay, so I'm gonna move you a little closer. Or move you out this way. Now, this is the cheese part. Sorry, stupid cheese won't open. There we go. Couldn't get my claws to open it. I have a hard time with these cheese things. They never want to open for me. There we go. So we have some provolone cheese here. So we're just going to take a couple of slices of provolone cheese. Just like that. And then you take, I'll get a bigger lid. Okay, bigger lid. Then you take and you put a lid over top of the provolone cheese and the sauce and the meats, just like that, so it melts the cheese. And then while the cheese is melting and the last few minutes of the au jus is heating up and my fries are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and put this cheese away, and then I will show you guys the plates when they're done. So there is Tony's sub. There's our bowl of au jus. There's my sub and our fries and potato wedges combo. There's the beautiful Tony.
We hope you liked this video. We'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye,
Have a great
y'all.
night, y'all.